candidate in the finalist.
The president of the Voice of People Party, Arden Basayaumat, criticized political parties for their inconsistent stances, particularly highlighting the UDP. Speaking at a campaign event in Yaupensin, Wayajer today, he pointed out that the contradiction where party leaders opposed the government while party MLAs holding ministerial positions support it. Basayaumat accused UDP MLAs and MDCs of treating the party as a mere uniform and stressed that the Voice of the People Party stands for unity and consistency, expecting its members to align with its positions.
May persyang banong ban kendria no nang nganom kendria lada fiwan tong si hajar keluru ngamtre. Nama man set kelayu pat ba. Namar kata ko ti pat ba ngajuong. Balai bi persyang man di ledi tang si po arpo hajar for election. Larang aku man di ki pat ba ngan general di ki spa ba ki hajar kelur. Renga soban angu ibai. Ubala besuk hapo jengai ka mensim bangan it ya ka jet meru laduk bangadang kena.